Hi, I'm going to show you how to load and run R on the Rackham HPC cluster maintained by UPPMAX. For this course, Introduction to Running R, Julia and Matlab and HPC. And for this I'll be following this course documentation, and I'll just take a look at the exercise titles first, so we know what to do, and then I'll go in a bit more detail. In exercise 1 we're going to start the R interpreter. In exercise 2 we're going to run an R script. In exercise 3 we're going to download and extract a tarball with exercises. In the extra exercise we're going to find and use the installed R packages. And in exercise extra 2 search for other R versions. So let's start from exercise 1 then, shall we? There. Find the documentation of your HPC cluster. Alright, so for this exercise I'll move this window to the left. Bam. I'll make a new window at the right. Rackham, documentation, HPC, something like this. Welcome to the UPPMAX documentation pages. That's not it. There it is, UPPMAX documentation. At docs.uppmax.uu.se. Within the documentation of your HPC cluster, search for the documentation about R. Let's take a look at R. Request tracker, R Studio. There are a lot of things that have the word R in them. R. Alright, so it's a bit far down, but there is exactly a page about R. Sure, we found it. From the terminal, load the modules for R of the recommended version as shown below. So we need to load this module of R. Let's take a look what it says. The R program, R interpreter, R packages, R software, how to install. Let's take a look at this documentation to load this module. Oh, okay. To get the latest version of R interpreter, use that. To start it, use that. Okay. So now we need to use 4.1.1. So if we just copy paste this line and change it to 4.1.1, let's see what happens. So here we have Rackham. I'm going to start a terminal on it. There. And I'm going to do what was set in the documentation, but I'm going to do 4.1 instead. Great. We did it. That's all there is. From the terminal, start the R interpreter. Well, we just read that we need to start it with R. Let's do that. R. Bam. We did it. This is the R interpreter. So I'm not sure what this means, but I feel good about it. Oh, we're going to check it here anyways. From the R interpreter, run the R code message hello to verify if this makes the R interpreter say the text hello. So this is to double check if it works. Let's take a look. Ctrl+Shift+V works. Enter. Yeah, this works. So this R code got converted to machine code and it said hello. Next, from the R interpreter, run the R code quit to quit the R interpreter and go back to the terminal. Sure, let's go to the R interpreter, quit, save, nope, and there we are back at the terminal. Next exercise, run an R script. To run an R script, we'll download one, after which we'll run it. From the terminal, run this. Okay, sure, copy, Ctrl+Shift+V, enter. Now it's downloaded. From the terminal, run R script hello, enter. Yeah, works. Next exercise, download and extract the tarball with exercises. See here how to do so. So I put it here as a new tab. I'm going to work through it. Using the exercise with exercises, a procedure. It has 2 steps. Step 1, step 2. In a terminal, so I need to copy paste these 2 things to a terminal. Let's do that. Ctrl+Shift+V, there, correct. And this copied, and Ctrl+Shift+V there. And now we have all the exercises available that were in this tarball. So exercise 3 is done now. Now we're gonna find and use the installed R package. From the R interpreter, check which packages are installed using installed packages. Okay, so I copy paste this already. Copy. On Rackham we need to start the R interpreter, paste it, and these are the packages we have. Okay, great. Next step, from the R interpreter load the parallel package using library parallel. So I'm going to copy paste this, paste it here. There, works, no error. Next exercise, search for other R versions. Use the module system to find which versions of R are provided by your cluster's module system. Okay, so let's take a look at the documentation then. Versions of R, the R software development, how to install. Let's take a look if we can find out how to find which packages are installed. Hey, need a different version. Hey, need a different version. If you need a different R version, use the following command. Okay, copy this. Let's go this to the terminal. Ctrl Shift V. Hey, did I make a copy paste? No, it's module spider R. Okay, that's what I tried to do. The terminal module spider R. Ah, I am still in the R interpreter. Let's quit. Nope. I need to be in the terminal. It's thinking. I guess this is good as done. Let's take a look. Well, maybe I can already scroll up here. Yeah, because that was the last exercise. Yeah, on Rackham the first time if you use something with a module spider, it builds up some kind of lookup table or something, so it's a bit longer. There we have it. And these are all the versions of R available. With that, I have finished all the exercises in this session of this course for the Rackham HPC cluster using a local ThinLink client. I wish you a very good day. Bye!